Hey guys, today we're working on something interesting. We're gonna attempt to replace the motherboard of this Dell Venue tablet. It's Dell Venue 11 Pro 7140. So it has this attachable keyboard. I'm gonna detach that, and then I already unhinged the back cover. We covered that in last video. So I'm gonna proceed from here by getting all these pudger tools, and then I'm gonna take apart everything that we can. So let's get started. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the battery. So I'm gonna use my fingers for that. I just pull it up and that's it. And I can remove the battery. Alright, now I want to take the SSD. Okay, and then are these pull up? Yes, they are. Okay, 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 okay. Let's see if I can get these parts to budge. Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay, beautiful. And I'm gonna take this one out. Alright, that's out. Alright, now I'm gonna work on this bezel here and try to remove it. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove everything the way I did before. So let's see, there are no screws here. I'm gonna start from this end. Okay, let's just double check if all the screws are out. Kind of looks it is. This is no SD card. Okay, now it seems that we are gonna be able to just pop this open. So okay, so I suppose it's gonna go this way and then just kind of work its way out around. So I'm gonna see if I can just, oh, okay, that's nice. That kind of works. It just goes around and pops around, that's it. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna move this part away just to figure out what we're gonna do next. And we got again. Alright. Okay, yeah, so probably gonna remove the speaker. That's gonna be okay. That's out. Let's do that on the other side as well. Okay, that's out. Okay, let's see if there's anything else that we can remove. Okay, so I think, yeah, the camera subsystem can go. Alright, that's gonna go out. This portion is gonna go out. Alright, that's all out. And so I think right now we can free the board and get ready for the new one. Alright, let's see this. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so there are only like a couple of screws that are holding it, so that's one. And this is the second one, and probably this one that holds the network card on it. Alright, and I think that's it. Alright, we freed the motherboard. Okay, awesome. Alright, let's put this one aside. And let's make some more room. Okay, let's move this nicely. This nicely. Alright, so I ordered this from eBay. So basically, I googled this number GYH6J that I figured out that's the part number, and I hope it fits. We'll see. I didn't open this box yet, so let's figure that out. Blah blah blah. If you have a problem, please contact the seller. Alright, that's good. Nicely packed. Anti-static casing. Here we got the motherboard. Hopefully it's the right one. Okay, alright. Is it the right one? Certainly looks like it. Yes, it does. Sure does. Alright. Let's put this one back in and see if we can bring back this computer to its former glory. Okay. Okay, awesome. Just gotta take care of some wires here and there. Okay, these are good. This is good. Alright, and kind of feels weird here. Alright, I hope I'm not mistaken, but should be this hole and that hole that we're holding the... See, it's still... Oh, this little dude. Alright. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. So I think this was here. And this was here, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, let's put these connections back. Looks right. So it's all the way in. I'm gonna lock it in with this one. Really nice. This is went all the way in. What about this one? Okay, this one went all the way in, so that's good. Let's put in the speaker back in. Alright, awesome. So that's in. Let's do this camera. Man, they're stuck. I didn't even notice, but it's a good thing we had some headroom here. It's good. Okay. Okay, let's slide these puppies in. Okay, I think it's all the way in. Okay, well, let's do this one. Okay, it's all the way in. It's good. And the speaker. Okay, that's all the way in. Same thing here. Alright, so I'm gonna slap on the battery and see if it's gonna start up. Just for testing purposes, let's slap on the battery and see what happens. And FYI, I'm not sure this battery, this computer was off for a while, so I'm not sure if there is any charge in it left. So let's see. Okay. Something happened. Okay, I'm getting... Oh, okay, yeah, awesome. Motherboard replacement worked. I just gotta put in the SSD, M.2 SSD, and yeah, but this works. Great. I'm just gonna take everything out and make it, put it back together. Awesome. All right, that's a good sign. One thing though, I forgot the battery for real-time clock. Apparently this one didn't come with one. So I'm just gonna take that from the old one yank that sucker out, come on, and plug it back here. So alright, that's cool. Then you go here, and this cable goes here. So all is good and dandy. Alright, let's put the back shroud on. Wait a second, it fell out again. And then another thing, I just noticed this cable is not here, so we gotta put this guy in. Okay, this is a cable for wireless module. Okay, let's take this guy out. Alright, let's put this part back here. Okay, popped in. That's good. We can work with this now, except for this part. Okay, so I got kind of an idea. I'm just gonna put this here. I'm gonna lift this guy up. Make sure everything snaps in place all around. All right. Put these connectors back. All the way in. Okay, and this one as well. Okay, that works. And then just put the screws back in. Alright, I'm gonna start here. Awesome. So this M.2 is not from this device, so I'm not even sure that it's gonna run once I start it up, but that doesn't stop us from trying. Okay, next is the battery. Okay, alright, let's put the screws in. Okay, this goes here. The battery slot. Alright, the moment of truth. Okay. So I'm not getting anything from the screen. Wait, something's going on. Alright, I think it's okay. Yeah, so we're low on power, that's why. Battery is pretty empty. But it's starting. But yeah, I mean, you can, as you can see, the computer is booting up. It's working. Getting the device ready. Alright, whatever, it's working, that's what's important. Right guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, seeing how you can replace the motherboard on Dell Venue. If you did, like this video. If you didn't, wait for the next one, and I'll see you soon guys. Thank you, bye bye.